I believe that LFS has helped me prepare for my future career in so many ways. Really being able to be hands-on with this event through everything that we've made, through the assets, the banners, the tickets, the t-shirts. It's helped me become very familiar with deadlines and working with an amazing team and having that team support, but also give constructive criticism and being able to take that and implement it into the work.
So this year's theme is LFS Extreme. It's all about the integration of skateboard culture and surf culture and its intersection with fashion and how it's made a mark on couture culture. It's something that has spoken to our students in a way that previous themes have not. It's gotten them engaged and involved. And I think it's particularly important, this theme, because it connects a little bit to our history too. I was just told recently that we actually had a half-pipe back in the old Wine Preserve, and the kids would come from all over the neighborhood and would skate there. So there's actually a real connection with our history, and I think another reason why this year's theme is going to be so special for everyone.
What excites me about the Lynn Fashion Showcase in terms of my role as a dean and as an educator, as the dean, I'm kind of excited about the vibrancy of it. It really brings the campus alive in so many different ways. We're cross-connecting with different majors and disciplines and colleges. Our students are interacting with each other. I think it's a nice way to kind of bring this vibrancy to the college campus in a way that everybody feels it and feels like they're a part of it in many ways. As an educator, I think the important component is it really gives our students an exposure to a real world event. It is one that draws in the public. We have to be, on stage. We're performing in the execution of it. And for our students, that's a lived real world business experience.
So from the moment visitors actually walk in to see the Lynn Fashion Showcase, they're going to see how professional everything is. And usually at the beginning or end of the fashion showcase, we actually mentioned that this was created by our very, very own students, which is truly incredible. So from the moment they walk in and they see these banners, that is created by our graphic design students and by our photography students. And as you continue walking through the actual showcase, you're going to see tables. And all of those tabletops are actually built by our graphic design students. All of the cones, all of the artwork that surrounds that entire area is built by our students. And then once the show actually starts, we have our film production students that are doing everything behind the scenes, switching cameras, doing lighting, you name it, sound, everything. And then is the actual business students working behind the runway, making sure everything's on time, that makeup is good, the dressings are good. It takes an entire village, an entire university to put the Lynn Fashion Show together.
Oh, the students are very involved. They're not just observing. Over here, they're making real decisions. They're working with a fast-paced environment with a team. Their actions are showing us how capable they are. So they are actually making decisions in the production, in the logistics, in the styling, in all aspects of this show. So I'm very happy to be able to see how they evolve and how they working and how they're learning at the same time. So it's a very hands-on experience.
And my role with the Lynn Fashion Showcase is I'm really the facilitator. With the fashion show production course, that's the Marketing 300 course. We have 11 students. They're really excited, innovative, and they are really looking forward to the show. So we have a course. So not only are they getting the hands-on, the 2 days of the fashion show, but they're learning everything that encompasses a fashion show, whether it's around the world, whether it's New York, London, Paris. They're learning everything, the modeling, the staging, art and fashion, producing a show. So they're learning all the elements that they need, so when they do their individual tasks that they've all been assigned, they will know how to take those tasks and really work it into our show to make it a really great show, the best show ever.
A key thing that we try to do within Lynn over the last few years, we've done this in other productions, is to create a level of sustainability in resources. So, for example, we did a signature event in the fall, all hands on deck, and that was skateboard culture in of itself. And so in a way, not to pivot from that. We wanted to continue with it and bring those resources, those materials, those skateboards themselves into the fashion show, and really show that fashion can be, in that skate culture, can also be high end.
And now we're gonna repurpose all those skateboards into decor. You guys will see at the show, it's gonna be amazing. And the students who participated in the fall, they can now come to the show in the spring and say, hey, I created that and now it's being used as art.
LFS is huge for me career-wise. I want to go into a production field after I graduate. So LFS is really the biggest sort of real world experience that I've had at Lynn. But this is like, you know, a real large scale event, and to be such a high role and in charge of it in this way is amazing.
You are going to be wowed like never before, and you're going to be seeing the extreme in fashion that nobody has seen, only at Lynn University, and it will take you, and you're going to want more, and you can't wait to come next year for what we have planned for you in 2027. So we'll see you then.